Anyways, that's what's out there. Holy shit. Anyways, SPX, nice dip down here. Now, listen to me very carefully. This is the weekly low. If this goes, we gap fill, in my opinion. This level might give one more bounce. Okay, it's been really well tested. If you look on, for instance, the 4 hour, we tested it here, right there, right there. Okay, so it's tested 3 times now since that Monday rippy. I would not want to go down there anymore. Here's where I'm conflicted. You have a QQQ ghost candle to the top, and you got a QQQ SPY ghost candle to the low. Now this could potentially have filled that. I also have a SPY dark pool buy today at 543.30, which is down here for for 600 million. Sorry. So they could be connected. I don't see a QQQ sell on the dark pool at what is this? 487.20. Nope. I only see there was no big prints today. So I set an alert right there on QQQ just in case. You know what I mean? Can we move out of this window now? Oh my God, come on. Jeez. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I got an alert filling that ghost candle. What is that level? Well, it's basically where we rejected from once we had base there on Friday. So going back up to test it. Now, if you look, QQQ obviously breaking higher day with ease into close. SPY right there at IB session. So what you could conclude from this is we'll go maybe up here. If we can hit here tomorrow, guys, take profit on those calls. It could get wild at open. And remember, we still have a deep buying candle. Where was that alert? 553.30. Yeah, right here. It's this level, give or take. Okay, right there. Is that right? Shoot, 44. 543. 44. 543. 44. 543. Oh, there we go. Hey, it's Sausage Dog. Hey, Bruno. What's up? Are you dirty? Anyways, neighborhood dog just walked in. Meta wrote it up from here to here. Okay, let's see what it does. Couldn't close above the daily 9, so still has room for fuckery. Nvidia sold the 125s or 130s, excuse me. But look at this hammer candle here, closing above the 21. I would not be surprised if this sees 130 this week. So holding the 120 and a halves. SMCI, I mean next week's 1100 if we get any moves. UNH here, I rarely trade this, by the way, but I did take a lotto because I feel like this sell was completely excessive compared to, I mean, that was some rotational candle, but it's holding the level. This could be a higher low. Wouldn't be surprised to see this chug. If we can break 500, it can go back up there, so worth a lotto. Sold Amazon into close because I want to be 90% cash. It moved up $4 today, but my premiums didn't do much because I'm obviously in July 19th, 210s, but I will be in this swing again, maybe even this week. Avgo caught that move, absolutely epic, re-entered, caught another move, pull back, waiting on full send candle. Google looks like nice consolidation, didn't play it, didn't play TSM, not touching Baba. DJT held the daily 9. Very interesting. Let's see here if it could pull a move. Got a double bottom. Could see some continuation or just eat shit down here. Hood. What a deep buy here at 8. Rant 15. Scaled. Still waiting for this to kind of develop. Obviously basing in this area for a bigger move higher. No doubt about that. Didn't touch UPST. Didn't touch Carvana. Missed the move today, this morning on Tesla. I wanted this move on the delivery number, so I wasn't even mentally ready to play it this morning. Imagining delivery numbers could be whatever. Took a small put hedge to my SPY calls on it. Didn't play Apple master move today, or whatever you want to call it. All right, and yeah, so tomorrow Powell starts speaking at open. You could see some wild candles. If we fly out of the gate or gap up, take profit by the dip. If we dip or gap down, start looking to dip buy, especially if we hold these lows. Now, I had said if we trade 1 cent under here, that is a clue for more downside. And we did trade lower, but we also held the FOMC line. But now my alert says might not hold on the next time. I do like that they killed the stow here after hours and price is holding. So hopefully we could, what am I looking for? This is what I'm looking for. I am looking for double bottom type of cup here that comes right back up. Doesn't have to go all the way to those highs, but like maybe up to here. Then pull back, meaning tomorrow launch up there, pull back on Wednesday, half day, and then take NFP calls to target that ES high that I covered in the market analysis video. What do I mean? Well, ES still, when everything hit all-time highs, ES didn't. It's got a higher all-time high. Where is it? It's got a slightly higher all-time high here. If you see, right there. So that's my price target. Okay, that's why I went a little bit. We could potentially see that move tomorrow. We could see it on Friday. I think it's a combination of both. A little bit higher tomorrow, then slow bleed, and NFP possibly sends it. Mara, what a day. Played Riot for 75% on the 10s, sold them, swung some 11s. JPM, this swing, I'm kind of pissed off because I could have probably doubled my money. I was in that swing, sold right here because that was quite a strong candle, and then we flew, rolled up, and then caught this move and still swinging some. Sold the 210s. No, actually I sold the 202s and swung the 210s. Yeah, just to take some stress off. Goldman Sachs, I'm looking at, posted in the chat, has a very possible inverted head and shoulders here on the daily. Could see all-time highs by Friday. I'll probably take that up on a dip in the market. And I felt good scalping today. It was a good day. Tomorrow, or after hours, today we have ECB inflation numbers, not ECB, European inflation numbers, and then Powell at their event straight at open, and then also into tomorrow. That's pretty much it, right? We got the JOLTS numbers. Could give a move, so most of the action is going to be early. And then Wednesday we got some Fed speakers, and we also have ADP employment change, initial claims coming out on Wednesday, and ISM PMI, but it's a half day, remember that. And we have these after hours, and then Thursday off, and Friday we open with NFP. Okay, pre-market. So if that comes in cool, market should rip. Mark these VIX gaps pre-market, they both filled. That was beautiful. Bitcoin had a move, obviously, and the 10-year yield was on fire. So we need the Powell to slap that back down tomorrow, hopefully. With that said, guys, always go 90% cash. We never know if swings are going to hit or not. All right, God bless. Boom!
$776 billion. Couple context on that.